to us, tells us about this film. And there's Mark Uluka. Please give my hand.
Good evening. Thanks for coming out tonight. Actually, Zita movie is kind of very romantic story with the war in Ethiopia. Because tonight we're celebrating Ethiopian cinema. Why I say that the word, because Ethiopian movies progress with a great talent in production. Thank you again for New African Film Festival organizer. Thanks for coming out. Enjoy the movie.